За мэдээж хэлсэнчлэн түрүүн уурхайн салбар бол эрчим хүчний одоо зохицуултгүйгээр бодлогогүйгээр урагшлах ямар ч боломжгүй. Тэгэхээр эрчим хүчний салбарт тавигдаж байгаа ялангуяа ногоон эрчим хүч гэсэн энэ агуулгаар одоо дараагийн илтгэгч маань бидэнд нэн шин мэдээлэл өгөхөд бэлэн болсон байна. Ингээд яг одоо энэ дээр Хуавэй Дижитал Эрчим Хүчний за Дэд Ерөнхийлөгч ноён Жозеф таныг урьж байна.
Maybe this is the only I can speak Mongolian. I really hope I can speak Mongolian. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm Joseph Yaao Zyang from Huawei Digital Power. I'm so delighted to be here to join this meeting. And this is my second time to attend the Mining Week Mongolia, MinePro 2024. And the day before yesterday, I have made conversation with Minister, Mr. Towan, and have made some conversation with our customers and partners. They all ask one question to me: why Huawei joined this meeting, and what's the relationship between Huawei and the Mongolian mining industry? Now today, I would like to introduce Huawei's business and why Huawei joined this meeting, and how can I benefit this industry in Mongolia. Okay, firstly, I would like to make a brief introduction for Huawei. As we know, Huawei is the biggest leading ICT company in the world. And last year, our company revenue reached 800 billion yuan, and roughly 100 billion US dollars. And we have more than 200,000 employees, and account for 55% employees work in R&D. So our company is totally high-tech company. And our business has been covered more than 170 countries. Like Mongolia, we also have our office 20 years before. And as I mentioned, we are a tech company, so we put many resources in R&D domain. Huawei is the number 5 global R&D investment company in the last year. Huawei's business domain has 5 parts. Firstly is the devices like smartphones and ICT, just like our wireless network, 5G, 4G, and intelligent automotive solution, and the cloud, and digital power. Digital power is our new business domain. It's built 2021, but we have accumulated more than 25 years technologies in this product line. Our vision is integrating digital power and the electronics technologies to promote green transformation in the industries. We have several business domains like smart PV and energy storage, smart charging network for electric vehicle, Drive One for electric vehicles power, and data center facility and critical power supply. These are our business domain in digital power. So that's why we join this meeting. We can provide the green and renewable energy to our industry. Before I introduce our solution, I want to introduce Huawei's Mongolia. Huawei has been developed the business in Mongolia for nearly 20 years, since 2005. Our office is located in Rockman building of Ulaanbaatar, and now there are more than 80 employees, of which 80% are local employees in Mongolia. And our business over the past few years, we have achieved achieved many progress, like telecommunication. We involved its network from 2G to 5G. And Huawei has many industries and achieved digitalization, facilitating the adoption of cloud, e-health, smart campus, and the intelligent city. And we have also developed green energy and green data center for our customers in Mongolia. In addition, we also contribute the local government and the people. The flagship Seeds Future. Seeds Future means we have the plan. This program aims to nurture 1,000 ICT talents in Mongolia over the next 10 years. Huawei provides the training and the resources to build a local ICT talent ecosystem. And we also carry out more than 20 CSR activities, such as donating computers to the educator center. That's our achievement and the ESG in Huawei, Mongolia. In Huawei, we do believe there are two trends in the future. One is digitalization, like AI, computing, and cloud. Another is decarbonization. Decarbonization has become a global concern after since 2016, after the Paris Agreement was signed. And the European Union has imposed a carbon tax to achieve it. Miners have the big carbon taxes. For example, producing a ton of the copper that products 1.914 tons of carbon dioxide and paying 184 carbon tax to the EU. That's a cost for our mining enterprise, right? And we also should talk about the ESG. ESG is a key influence on mining operations, marketing, and cooperation reputations, which are important to mining companies' operations. Therefore, the top mining companies around the world with responsibility, possibility to decarbonization. More than 25 top 40 mining companies disclose their decarbonization targets. And 35% agree with the high climate crisis. By 2050, world's top 5 mining companies promise to be carbon neutral. In terms of Mongolian minings, we have abundant minerals and high productions and significant carbon emissions because we utilize many diesel generators in the rural area. And mineral resources in Mongolia is very rich. According to the public news, more than 70% overseas investment on this industry. Therefore, low carbon power supply is very necessary for future because high ICOE, high carbon emission, high carbon taxes will be more and more become the main obstacles to developing this industry. So decarbonization is a certain trend in the future in mining industry. I want to talk about the key factors for mining power supply in this slide. Because the power is the first important thing in mining industry, and also the mining. We know safety, technology, environment, and economy is a very key factor in this industry. Firstly, the mining area has many heavy impact loads. It's different loads. And this will lead into the frequent safety accidents. So high security requirements for power supply is important. And there are also many load types and complex process. So the mining companies need to advanced technologies. Basically, I think this reliable and stable power supply is a crucial thing for our company. And secondly, I believe the pollution and the economy also are the key factors we should consider. Because our mining site basically are always located in a remote area. No electricity to access, no grid to access. So we utilize many diesel generators. This causes significant pollution, which negatively impact the ESG of the enterprise. And however, our clean energy solution will offer us a solution to this problem. And mining enterprise are often located in a remote area, resulting in the high power consumption. Diesel. As I know, diesel price is very expensive in Mongolia, so the LCU is very high. This also make our enterprise has some pressure in the cost. Basically, because we have the perfect technology like grid forming, so we can build the microgrid solution to support to forming the separate grid to power supply our mining site. And that's a key. And then in Mongolia, we have the rich solar resources. Sunlight is abundant. As I know, nearly 2,000 kilowatt hour per meter square per year radiation in Mongolia. That's a quite high number, only a little lower than Middle East region, much higher than China, most of China region. And the third thing, we believe as PV panels declining and the PV and the energy storage battery cells cost going down, and the business can be close up. That's a very important three thing. This is our Huawei's mining microgrid solution. As I know, in response to the difficulties just I mentioned the last slides, mining supply, Huawei develops a smart microgrid solution, provides one-stop solution, like consulting, design, investment, and operation, and solution design and integrated delivery. And in terms of technologies, Huawei has engaged in digital and power electronics technologies for many years. So we have the most advanced grid forming technologies that ensure the all-day uninterrupted power supply to our mining companies. And also firstly, I believe we have several characters in our solutions. Firstly, ultimate security. Security is the first thing, because no security, it means nothing. And secondly, we can benefit we have stable technical support to our customers, and we can provide green and renewable energy to the mining customers. And also we have the digital OMI, and this because of arranging from our digital capability. And we also have some several mature cases in the world. That's unique value for Huawei, because the mining industry microgrid solution just start up. There are not too many references in this domain, but we have also several mature cases in microgrid solution. So Huawei, due to its technical feasibility and closed loop business model, Huawei microgrid solution will deliver green electricity to more and more mining enterprise. Here, I want to introduce the two cases about microgrid. Number one is Raisi City in Saudi of Kingdom, in the west coastline, nearby the very famous new city, New. This project, we provided the first gigawatt-hour scale microgrid project, 400 megawatt PV and 1.3 gigawatt-hour BESS. This super big in the world for microgrid solution. This solution, Huawei provides the key equipment, and this solution can provide 100% new green energy for millions of tourists in Raisi New City. And we serve more than 50 hotels, 8,000 rooms, and 22 islands, 1,300 residents. And this project has delivered last year, September in 2023. It's providing more than 1 billion kilowatt-hour electricity to green energy to the residents in the Raisi city. So it's quite famous in the world on microgrid solution domain. And the second case, I want to introduce the Peru's case. This is our first microgrid projects on mining industry. And the first successful delivered practice in Huawei Digital Power. This mining area is far from the main electricity grid and high altitude. It often costs hundreds of millions of dollars to expand the capacity of existing power grid. Therefore, those power solution, we only used 2 months to deliver this project. This solution solves the risk of high impulse current and fast change under complex load operation in mining area, and to provide 20-hour uninterrupted economic and green energy for our mining area. This mine company, utilizing Huawei the solution, they saved 1 million and 460 kilowatt electricity and additional 600,000 diesel costs each year. At the same time, the cost of electricity has been reduced from 50 cents to 20 cents per kilowatt hour. That's a dramatic drop on the fuel cost. It's shortening the investment cycle to 4 years. So it's our successful cases in mining domain, mining industry domain. Finally, I want to show Huawei's vision integrated the digital and electronic power electronic technologies to the green renewable future. And by June 2024, Huawei Digital Power has helped customers generate green power 1,148.2 billion kilowatt hour. I mean, and it means reduce carbon emissions 577 million tons CO2, and also equivalent to planting 788 million trees. We do believe Huawei can utilize our technology and our R&D resources to increase our efficiency of the production of the mining industry and helping the Mongolia mining industry become more greener and more renewable. Thank you.